Let's make homemade Carnivore English Muffins with sausage gravy. You'll need 2 cups pork panko, 8 eggs, and a 1/4 cup melted butter. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, then whisk panko, eggs, and butter until smooth. Spoon into a greased muffin pan and bake 20 to 25 minutes. Now for the gravy: 1 pound breakfast sausage and a tablespoon of tallow. Brown the sausage in the fat, then drain, leaving just a tablespoon behind. Pour in 1 cup heavy cream and 4 ounces cream cheese. Stir until melted. Let it simmer 3 to 4 minutes until thick. Split and toast your muffins, then ladle on that hot sausage gravy. There you have it, carnivore biscuits and gravy with homemade English muffins. Like and follow for more carnivore delights.